value of the polynomial. And based on this, our first and second question is there. So we will study this concept in our first and second question of exercise 2.2. Our next and important concept is zeros of the polynomial. Yes, dear students, it is very important concept. Zeros of the polynomial means ऐसी कौन सी वैल्यू जिसके लिए हमें polynomial का आंसर 0 मिलेगा, that will be the zeros of the polynomial. Suppose we are having a polynomial p of x is equal to x plus 5. हमें given है x plus 5. अब x की कौन सी वैल्यू है जिसके लिए हमें p of x 0 मिल रहा है? If we are replacing x by minus 5, then we are getting 0. It means minus 5 is the zeros of this polynomial p of x. Okay, dear students, I hope now zeros of the polynomial is clear to you. What do you mean by zeros of the polynomial? Any real number for which we are getting answer of polynomial 0, that will be the zeros of the polynomial. Now let's start with exercise 2.2. Yes, dear students, let's see its first question. What is asked in first question? Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 5x square plus 3. Dear students, this polynomial is given and we have to find its value. Yes, as I told you, for finding the value, what we will do? We will replace this x by these given values. Let's see how we will solve it. Yes, what is given? Let polynomial is p of x. Let p of x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. And what we have to do in first part, what is given? X is equal to 0. Now what we will do? We will replace x by 0. जहाँ भी x है हम वहाँ क्या करेंगे? 0 पुट करेंगे. X is here, then we will write 0. P of 0 is equal to 5 into 0 minus 4 into x square means 0 square plus 3. Now 5 multiplied by 0, 0 minus 4 multiplied by 0, 0 plus 3. When we solve it, what we will get? 3. Now come to its second part. What is its second part? X is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Now dear students, again we will follow same method. P of minus 1, we will replace x by minus 1 in this polynomial. P of minus 1 is equal to 5 into, अब जहाँ भी x है वहाँ हम x को किससे रिप्लेस करेंगे? minus 1 means 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into x. X is minus 1 means and its square minus 1 square plus 3. Here plus minus we will get minus 5 multiplied by 1 5 minus 4. Square of minus 1 is 1. So what will come here? 1 plus 3. Now minus 5 minus 4 into 1 minus 4 plus 3. Now solve it. Minus minus minus, but we will add minus 9. Minus 9 plus 3 we will get minus 6. It is the second part of this question. Yes, dear students, third part, try it yourself. I hope you can do this. This is our first question of this exercise. Dear students, now see its second question. What is asked in second question? Find P0, P 1 and 2, then we have to find the value. Let's see its first part. What is given in its first part? Pt. Pt is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. What we have to find? P0 means P of 1 means we will replace variable by 1 and P of 2. Let's see. P of 0. Firstly, I am finding P of 0 means polynomial at value at 0. Now what we will do? We will replace which variable? T. We will replace this variable by 0. It will equal to 2 plus t 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. Here 2 plus 0, it is 0 minus 0 means we will get P of 1. 2 plus at the place of t we will substitute 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. From here 2 plus 1 plus 1 square means 1 multiplied by 2 2 minus 1. Now plus 1 minus 1 cancel out. 2 plus 2 4. So what is the value of polynomial at 1? 4. Now we will find P2. P2 means we will replace variable t by 2. 2 plus t means 2. 2t square means 2 into 2 square minus 2 cube. 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 into 2 square. Square of 2 is 4. 4 2s are 8 minus 2 cube. Cube of 2 is 8. Now plus 8 minus 8 will cancel each other, but will left 4. So dear students, what we will write? P of 0 is equal to 2. P of 1 is equal to 4. P of 2 is equal to 4. It is the answer of our question. Now its third part. Now for third, P of x is equal to x cube. We will find P of 0. P of 0 means we will replace x by 0 means 0 cube. We will get 0. P of 1. It will equal to 1 cube and cube of 1 is 1. P of 2. Then 2 cube and cube of 2 is 8. What is the answer of this question? P of 0 is 0. P of 1 is 1. P of 2 is 8. This is the answer of third part. Now come to its fourth part. P of 0 means we will replace x by 0. 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. 0 minus 1 means minus 1 into 0 plus 1, 1. And these both are in multiplication means minus 1 multiplied by 1, we will get minus 1. Now P of 1. We will replace x by 1, x minus 1 into 1 plus 1. Here minus 1, 0 into 1 plus 1, 2. And 0 multiplied by any number, we will get 0. Now P of 2 means we will replace x by 2. Here 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. So dear students, P of 0 is minus 1. P of 1 is 0. P of 2 is 3. This is the answer of this question. and this is your second question of this exercise. Dear students, next question, that is question number 3. What is asked in this question? Verify whether the following are the zeros of polynomial indicated against them. Means in this question, in every part, one polynomial is given, and with this polynomial, one solution is given. We have to check whether given value is its zeros or not. Yes, हमने क्या बताना है कि जो हमें यहाँ पर वेरिएबल की वैल्यू गिवन है वो इसका जीरोस है या नहीं है. Yes, dear students, as I told you in the starting of this exercise, what is the zeros of the polynomial, or how can we say that this value is the zeros of the polynomial. हम कैसे बताएंगे कि कोई भी गिवन वैल्यू पॉलिनोमियल के जीरोस हैं. If we are getting answer 0 when we are putting that value in place of that variable, जब हम उस वेरिएबल के प्लेस पे उस वैल्यू को पुट करते हैं और हमें आंसर में 0 मिलता है, अगर आंसर 0 मिल रहा है, then we can say that zeros of the polynomial. So same we have to verify. Verify means we have to prove, we have to check whether it is in this we are getting 0 or not. So see first part, there are many parts in this question. We will do some parts and remaining parts you have to do yourself. In first part, what is given? P of x is equal to 3x plus 1. Polynomial क्या given है? 3x plus 1. And we have to check it for x is equal to minus 1 by 3. हमने इसको x is equal to minus 1 by 3 के लिए check करना है. So how can we check? If on putting the x is equal to minus 1 by 3 in this expression or in this polynomial, if we are getting 0, हमें अगर आंसर 0 मिलता है, then we can say that it is the zeros of this polynomial. So let's see how we will do this. We will replace by minus 1 by 3. P of minus 1 by 3 will equal to 3 into minus 1 by 3. हमने क्या किया? x को किससे रिप्लेस किया? minus 1 by 3 plus 1, and it is a multiplication, so we can cancel 3 by 3. What is left here? Minus 1, and after this 1, and on solving it, what we are getting? 0. If we are getting 0, then what we will write? Yes, x is equal to minus 1 by 3 is zeros of P of x. Like this we will do these questions. Now come to its next part. What is given in next part? P of x is equal to 5x minus 5, and we have to check for x is equal to 4 by 5. Now P of, we will replace x by 4 by 5. P of 4 by 5 will equal to 5 into x, and x is 4 by 5, means 5 into 4 by 5 minus 5. Dear students, we will not replace 5 by 22 by 7. It will remain as it is. Now when we solve it, 5 cancel each other. What is left? 4 minus 5. And dear students, we are not getting it equal to 0. What we will write? Because P of 4 by 5 is not equal to 0. It is not equal to 0. So x is equal to 4 by 5 is not zeros of P of x. This is the second part. See next part, that is third part. What is given? P of x is equal to x square minus 1, and now we have to check for two values of x. X is equal to 1 and minus 1. We will check one by one. Firstly, we will check for x is equal to 1. P is equal, x is equal to 1. What we will write? For x is equal to 1. P of 1 will equal to, here we will replace x by 1. So 1 square minus 1, and the square of 1 is 1 minus 1. Minus 1 is 0. Now we will check for minus 1. For x is equal to minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square. X square means minus 1 square minus 1. And dear students, what is the square of minus 1? Square of minus 1 is 1 minus 1, and it is equal to 0. Now what we will write? For x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. P of x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 and minus 1 are the zeros of P of x. It is our third part. Okay dear students, I hope there is no doubt in these parts. Now let's see its sixth part. Remaining parts you have to solve yourself. I will explain sixth and seventh part now. What is given in its sixth part? P of x is equal to, yes, its sixth part. P of x is equal to Lx plus m, and we have to check for x is equal to minus m by l. हमें यहाँ पर x के प्लेस में minus m by l के लिए चेक करना है. Now what we will write? P of, in the place of x we will write minus m by l. So P of minus m by l, it is equal to l into, what is the value of x? Minus m by l plus m. Yes, m will cancel l. What will left from here? Minus m plus m. And when we solve it, what we will get? 0. So what we will write? 4 is equal to minus m by l. P of x is 0. So x is equal to minus m by l is zeros of P of x. It is our sixth part. Now come to its seventh part. In seventh part, P of x is equal to 3x square minus 1, and what we have to do? We have to check for 4. Firstly, we will check for x is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Yes, now we will replace x by minus 1 by root 3, and it will equal to 3 into minus 1 by root 3 square minus 1. Now square of minus is plus, square of minus 1 is plus 1, and square of root 3 is 3 minus 1. 3 cancel each other. 1 minus 1 means it is equal to 0. Now we will check for P of 2 by root 3. Here 3 into x. We will replace x by 2 by root 3 and its square minus 1. Now 3 into square of 2 is 4 and square of root 3 is 3 minus 1. Now 3 cancel out. 4 minus 1 and it is equal to 3. Now dear students, here what is given? हमें यहाँ पर x की 2 वैल्यूज के लिए चेक करना था. एक वैल्यू पे तो हमें क्या मिल रहा है 0 और एक पे नॉट इक्वल टू 0. बट वी हैव टू टेल आवर आंसर टुगेदर वेदर दीज आर द जीरोस और नॉट. हमें ये बताना है कि क्या ये इसके जीरोस हैं या नहीं है. अगर हमें दोनों के लिए आंसर 0 मिलता तो ये दोनों जीरोस होंगे. अगर किसी एक के लिए भी आंसर 0 नहीं मिल रहा है then these will not be zeros of this polynomial p of x. What we will write? minus 1 by root 3, p of x is 0 and x is equal to 2 by root 3, p of x is not equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 and 2 by root 3 are not the zeros of p of x. It is the question number 3 of this exercise. I hope there is no doubt in this question. Dear students, remaining part try yourself. If you face any difficulty or any problem in these parts, you can ask by commenting. Yes, dear students, now last question, question number 4 of this exercise. What we have to do in this question? Find the zero of the polynomial. Yes, dear students, now up to now what we have done? We have checked whether these are the zeros of this polynomial or not in third question. And in first and second question, what we have done? We have find the values. Now, dear students, in this question, we will find the zeros. What do you mean by zeros of a polynomial? In basic terms, I have explained you what is the zeros of the polynomial. The value at which we get answer is equal to 0. ऐसी वैल्यू जिस पे हमें आंसर वहां पर पॉलिनोमियल का 0 मिलता है, वो ही क्या होता है, हमारा zeros होते हैं. So for finding the zeros, what we will do? We will equate this p of x with 0. हम zeros find out करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? जो हमारा पॉलिनोमियल गिवन है, whether it is p of x, p of y, जो भी पॉलिनोमियल गिवन है, हम उसको क्या करेंगे? 0 के साथ कंपेयर करेंगे और वहां से हमें वेरिएबल की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी और जो वैल्यू हमें मिलेगी वहां से, that will be the zero of the polynomial. So let's see how we will solve this question. In first part, what is given? P of x is equal to x plus 5. It is given. Now what we have to find? We have to find zeros. So what we will do? For zeros, p of x will equal to 0. zeros find out करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? p of x, हमें x की ऐसी वैल्यू जिसमें हमें आंसर 0 मिलेगा वो भी तो इसका zeros होगा. So for this what we will do? p of x is equal to 0. And what is the value of p of x? p of x is 5 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. So from here x is equal to minus 5. So minus 5 is the zeros of p of x. Answer is minus 5 or minus 5 is the zeros of p of x. That's it. It is our first part. Now come to its third part. What is given? P of x is equal to 2x plus 5. Again, what we have to find? We have to find zeros. For finding zeros, what we will do? We will compare this p of x with 0, means for zeros, p of x is equal to 0, means 2x plus 5 will equal to 0. And from here we have to find the value of x, means 2x is equal to minus 5, because plus 5 will become minus 5 this side. X will equal to minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 is the zeros of p of x. This is its third part. Now come to its fifth part. What is given in its fifth part? P of x is equal to 3x. What we will do? For zeros, what we will do? P of x will equal to 0, means 3x is equal to 0, means x is equal to 0 divided by 3, and when we divide 0 by any number, we will get 0. So x is equal to 0. In this, 0 is the zeros of p of x. This is its fifth part. Now dear students, I am explaining its sixth and seventh part. Let's see its sixth part. In sixth part, what is given? P of x is equal to A of x, ax and A not equal to 0. हमें स्टार्टिंग में ही कंडीशन क्या गिवन है? A not equal to 0. A 0 नहीं है. And what we have to find? Its zeros. And what we will do? For zeros, P of x is equal to 0 means ax is equal to 0 and product of two numbers is 0. यहाँ पर क्या given है? We can write it as same 0 by a. Now our condition is that a is not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, then we will get 0 by 0. अब starting में क्या given है? a 0 के equal नहीं है. अगर a 0 के equal होता, then what we will get? 0 by 0, and it is not defined. It is not defined. That's why in statement it is given that a is not equal to 0. So from here what we will get? X is equal to 0 by a means x is equal to 0. This is the sixth part. Yes, dear students, is there any doubt up to this point? Okay, now see its next part. That is its seventh part. What is asked in seventh part? P of x is equal to cx plus d. And what is given? C not equal to 0. C यहाँ पर 0 के equal नहीं है. And C and D are real numbers. Where C and D are any real numbers. So for zeros, what we will do? For zeros, P of x is equal to 0. Now Cx plus D is equal to 0. Cx is equal to, this plus d will become minus d and x is equal to minus d by c. Again in condition it is given that c not equal to 0 because when we divide any number by 0, here minus d divided by 0, again it is not defined. वो भी क्या होता है? Not defined. That's why it is written here that c is not equal to 0. And from here x is equal to minus d by c. So minus d by c is the zeros of p of x. Yes, dear students, this is your question number 4 and it is all about exercise 2.2. I think this exercise is very easy and you will face no problem in all remaining questions of this exercise. Thank you.